In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change debounce time on your glorious Moto O wireless. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly customize the debounce time for your glorious mouse. Unlike most brands like Razer, Logitech, HyperX, they actually give users the option to change the debounce time. All that you have to do in order to change this is to download their software. So sadly, you will have to download their software in order to change the debounce time. You can use the more recent Glorious Core 2.1, or if you prefer and you scroll all the way down here on this page, you can use the legacy software, which is essentially the older versions. So choose whichever one you prefer. I'm going to show you examples on how to change the debounce time with all of them. So go over to their website at gloriousgaming.com, click on software and choose whichever one you prefer. I recommend trying out the more modern 2.1 version, but if that doesn't work, then you can try something else. So here are all the versions. So you have the very old one over here. You have the middle version over here, which is essentially the transition between the old and the new, and then finally the 2.1. So all that you have to do is on the old version, it is going to be available here on the right side of the screen. So you open it up, and with your mouse connected, you will see the bounce time. Now, of course, in this example here, it is a Model D, but don't worry, it is going to work with the Model O as well. On the middle version, which should be 2.0, you just have to go over to performance. So you click on your mouse and then using the menus at the top, you go to performance and then you will be able to find the debounce time right here. Make sure that you save the changes as always. And for the newer version, you will be able to select the mouse and once again head over to the settings. So as long as you go into the performance settings on each of these launchers or software, you will be able to get this done and change the debounce time. I hope I was able to help you on how to change debounce time on your glorious Model O wireless. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.